For a lot of people, they might see just water. I don't see just water. I see power. You know, it is power. I love photography. But when I take the camera, I feel something, that I need to look for something to take a picture, to find that beautiful picture. It is like everything connects in that moment.
This place was built in the 20s and the 30s. A lot of people don't see any beauty in this, but to me, there's a lot of opportunity to take pictures. It's abandoned, but it's a beautiful place.
My name is Zonia Espinosa. A mí me encanta el océano porque puedo ver la inmensidad, la grandeza. Me puedo dar cuenta qué tan pequeñitos somos y tantas cosas hermosas que nos dio nuestro Padre Celestial. Eso hace que tenga tranquilidad, me relaja y que tenga un día hermoso.
I love my career because it gives me the free time to pursue photography. You have no idea how many pictures I take. Sometimes I take 5, 100, 150 pictures sometimes, and just one is the one that I like. But you have to look a lot sometimes, and don't give up, and I never give up. It's like my business. I see all this landscape of people and also the same landscape that I see when I'm gonna take a picture. And you need to get focused. Sometimes you need to zoom in, like find the right person. And you find the beauty in that person. I am Enrique Espinosa. I am a father. I am a husband. I am an amateur photographer. I am a diamond sapphire. And I am forever.